for a new set of tires for our 2016 Subaru Forester, and I thought now would be a good time to share why we won't be repurchasing a set of our current tires, the Bridgestone Ecopia EP 422 Plus all-season tires. So a little history. Our factory Yokohama tires were worn out by 35,000 miles, and we were getting flat tires left and right. We were kind of in a pinch, so we purchased our Bridgestone Ecopias at Costco on sale. And we didn't do any research. We were assuming it was a good quality tire and a really good value just because it was coming from Costco. And that was our first mistake right there. Prior to installation of the Ecopias, we had an alignment check done and there were no problems found at all. So the alignment was good. And we rotated our tires every 5,000 miles. One should note though that Subarus tend to be harder on tires just because of the all-wheel drive system. So for starters, we have put 57,000 miles on these tires and they are worn just about down to the wear bars. This does not live up to the 70,000 mile warranty that Bridgestone puts out on these tires. So with Bridgestone marketing these tires as increasing your fuel economy due to the low rolling resistance of the tire, it's really no surprise that these tires only come with 10/32 of an inch of tread depth. The weight comes in on these tires at 23 pounds per tire, and compared to the factory Yokohama tires that came with the Subaru, those weighed 28 pounds. So 5 pounds lighter per tire. Lighter tires are going to equal better fuel economy. Regarding fuel efficiency, we never noticed any change. The change, if any, was negligible, and we never noticed an impact. Another thing I don't really care for is I think these tires are louder than our factory tires. Especially at highway speeds, you just hear a lot of road noise coming through to the cab. I used to live in an area that got a lot of rain, and I'd commute 50 miles each way to work. And when we got moderate rain, typically I was going about 65 miles an hour, I would get a little bit of hydroplaning. It wasn't anything serious, but it was enough for me to notice and need to slow down. No all-season tire can be expected to perform flawlessly on snow or ice, but this tire is definitely not a leader of the pack when it comes to an all-season tire. Despite not being the most attractive tire, we are happy to report we never got in any accidents or lost complete control or even had any flat tires. But if you live in an area where you commute and it's warmer and you're not going to see any ice or snow, these tires might work just fine for you. So that leads me to my final point, and probably the main reason why we're not repurchasing the Bridgestone Ecopia tires. And that is, I don't feel that these tires are a good value. There are many other all-season tires that offer greater mileage warranty than 70,000 miles, and a higher tread wear rating than 600, and a deeper tread depth brand new of 10/32 of an inch, for a lower overall cost. For example, we paid $122 per tire after our discount at Costco. These were originally priced at $140. Discount tires, right now I checked today, sells them for $151 each and labels them with their best tire rating. Compare that to the Cooper CS5 Grand Touring All Season sold at Discount Tires. It comes with an 80,000 mile warranty, a 780 tread wear rating, and an 11/32 inch tread depth. All that for $125 per tire. To me, just looking at this would be a much better value and a better option. So where do these tires stand? Aside from the cost, for me, I would not recommend these tires unless you never drive in snowy, icy conditions. And even then, I would say there are better tires for the money. Look at Cooper tires, Falcon tires, Pirelli, Nokian. You'll find that there are many others under $120 a tire that offer better ratings. As a reminder, I have not been paid or sponsored for this review or thoughts about owning these tires and driving in the conditions that we do. These are my opinions. So what tire am I going to end up going with? I found a set of Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain trail tires for a really good deal. So we're gonna give those a shot. I'm really excited about them, and once I get them installed, I hope to do a video on them, so keep an eye out for that. I hope this helps somebody with the decision-making process of buying tires. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching. Damn, we got a train. Damn. That train is hauling butt.